Research has felt like an inconvenient truth. New Zealand's been epic.
Yeah.
We've conducted so much research that says the same thing.
Yeah.
The homes that we build in this country are not healthy.
Then in the too hard basket, to actually say, well, what do we do about that? And that's the perfect storm that we're in right now.
Is it even possible for somebody like me to build a high-performing house in New Zealand for a budget that actually is achievable?
An automatically passive house gets associated with high costs.
Yes.
And of course there are examples where that is the case. The reality is today we're sitting in a certified passive house that has not cost the earth to build. The more complexity we build into a home, the more materials it will take and the more time it will take to build. But in New Zealand, we're still captured that big is beautiful, and I need to build the biggest house I can possibly afford. What we're saying as a company is let's actually think really carefully about those spaces, create spaces that are functional, that are going to work well for your family, but the things that can never change, those are the things that we get right from the beginning. The other incredible thing is when you get that fabric of the building right, then the running costs and the health of the home is outstanding. This home, for example, runs for the last 5 years an average of $83 a month. And that's the total running costs.
$83
a month, including
a month.
GST, to run the home. Let's just say, for example, it's $250 saving on average. The amount of impact that makes on the mortgage if you've borrowed money is phenomenal. But right now in New Zealand, there's no requirement to talk about the consumption of energy for a home or a building, any building that's being built.
It seems absolutely astounding to me. And it's not just about energy, it's about safety ratings. And yet there is no recognition in New Zealand for energy rating or safety rating for the homes of which we spend 69% of our time in.
We've put it in the too hard basket.
Is it too hard?
It's definitely not too hard. The knowledge, the building science is all there. There's no research that's required. All of the information is readily available right here, right now for New Zealand, because science is not a New Zealand thing. Science is science. It doesn't matter where you travel around the world, the same formulas will work across all continents.
But no, this is New Zealand, remember. New Zealand is special. Is that so, or is that a red herring?
It's a complete red herring. New Zealand is special in the fact that we're ignoring building science that is commonly used in other countries and mandated.
Is it possible to produce a passive house in volume?
Absolutely. So what we've been doing at eHaus for the last 2 years is developing a product that we believe suits many, many Kiwis. Not perfect for everybody, but as many people as possible. And it's called the People's House. And so what we've done is we've stripped out everything that's not delivering the performance that we need, creating the best value proposition. We've actually managed to reduce 88% of the energy running costs compared to a normal brand new home.
Wow.
And wanting to make that accessible for as many Kiwis as possible. The key is actually making the truth so obvious that people recognise we can't continue to do what we've always been doing. And programs like this give that opportunity for those things to be revealed to everybody.